Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to understand how to calculate the filtration area and how to calculate requirement of fluorescent materials for the baghouse leak detection works. First we going to calculate the baghouse total filtration area or total cloth area. Available or given data are D. Diameter of bag 0.13 meters. L. Length of bag 10 m. N. Total number of bags 7500 numbers. Calculation for surface area of one bag. Area equals to pi multiple by D multiple by L. Based on the equation, surface area of the one bags is 4.082 square meter. Next, surface area of total bags or total filtration area equals to surface area of one bags multiple by total number of bags. Based on above equation, 4.082 multiple by 7500. We got the total filtration area or total cloth area is 30,615 square meter. Next, we going to calculate the requirement of total fluorescent powder materials for filter bags leakages detection works with the below given data. D. Diameter of the bag 0.13 meters. L. Length of the bag 10 meters. N. Total number of bags 7500 numbers. Total filtration area 30,615 square meter. Fluorescent powder consider 10 grams per square meter of filter bags. The requirement of fluorescent powder materials are total filtration area multiple by per square meter area fluorescent materials quantity. It means 30,615 multiple by 10, 300 grams, or 306.15 kilograms based on above given data. Total 306.15 kilograms fluorescent powder materials required for this bag filter system. Hope to understand how to calculate the filtration area and requirement of fluorescent materials for the baghouse system. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more videos.